Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. And it is Monday. We did it. You made it. Made it through Monday. First day of the week. Survived. Got through. As did I. Great. Great Monday. And let's see what we get in our pack today. Start off with Wigglytuff. With the Asako Ito. That's it. That's cool. Then we get Swablu, the normal type. And our final comment is, hey, Lotad. Happy little Lotad. Adorable. Okay. And our uncommon holiday is oh, single strike, steel type, Skarmory, not a Skarmory, Copperajah. Pretty sure we've seen this one before, but yeah, that's cool. Cool. Pretty vanilla. And our final card of the pack is oh, got another uncommon. Let's see. Come on, something new. Something new. Trainer card. Ooh, I think we've got all the trainer cards. It's the something Guropu. What is that? Oh, Gurobu. Boo. I thought it was a boo. Gloves. This thing does 30 more damage against fighting Pokemon. I believe. Attach it. Or, yeah, equip it to the Pokemon, and then that Pokemon does an additional 30 damage. Oh! Dang. And nothing much to talk about either. Copperajah is pretty vanilla. 90 damage attack, and then 160, and it does 30 damage to itself. So. I like the Swablu. No, I like the Wigglytuff. Alright, gonna be a short video. Nothing super interesting in today's pack, but that's okay. Let's see. Let's look at the binder. I've already got another copy of Lotad. Here's our copy of Wigglytuff. Nothing in the fighting section or the dark. We've got Copperajah. That's right, we did have a copy of it. No dragons. And another copy of Swablu. And finally, a copy of the gloves. Alright. And yeah. So any trainers at this point are just copies. But that's okay. I was hoping to see more dragons. But yeah, kind of surprising how little we've seen them so far. So, alright. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. See you back here tomorrow for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. You guys have a terrific Tuesday. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys next time.